911. What is your emergency?
CHP, go ahead, ma'am.
Hi, my brother is attempting to cut his wrist.
Okay, do you know where he's at?
Yeah. He's at 6944 Campanelli Street in Rio Linda.
6944?
6544.
Okay, what's his name?
Christopher.
Is your brother?
Yes.
On the morning of March 23, 2024, deputies with the Sacramento County Sheriff's Office responded to a home in Rio Linda after a disturbing 911 call. Family members reported that 38-year-old Christopher Gilmore was in the middle of a mental health crisis, locked in a bathroom, and actively harming himself.
Hey, come on. Hey, come outside. What's his name?
Chris.
Okay. Hey, relax. I hear ya. Okay. If you're saying he's gonna suicide by cop, why do I want to rush in there? Relax. Okay. Hey, we're not gonna shoot him. We're not gonna try to do all that. I hear ya. Okay. Does he have a phone next to him? No. Okay. Where's the bathroom?
Right there. He just walked out.
Right there, where?
When you go back to the right, he just walked to the door and shut it and locked it. He just unlocked it for you.
Straight first?
So when you go in this way, and there's a hallway, and it was right there to the right, but he's not going to be in there now. He may have went to the backyard or something.
Backyard, okay.
He may have, I don't know.
Okay, okay.
Man, can you step back to our patrol vehicle?
Yeah, just hang out over here. Per the roommates and friends standing outside, subject came out the bathroom, stated he wanted a 902A by cop, and ran to the backyard or somewhere inside the house. We're unknown at the time. We're waiting for more units.
Chris, it's the sheriff's office.
Yeah. Chris, it's the sheriff's office. Are you okay? Hey, we just want to help you out, bud. What's going on?
I don't like it.
No. Step.
Been here before, remember?
No. I do not.
I don't like this funnel that we
No.
have going on.
Chris! Which way was he cutting?
We don't know.
This way? He has a big knife?
No, it was a razor blade. He broke off of a shaver.
Okay, someone said he had a knife on the phone.
That's what I thought until they told me. No, it's not a knife. It's a razor blade.
Razor blade? They're saying it was a razor blade. Our concern is he doesn't like us, right? He wants to die, right?
No, he wants you guys to take him. If he wants you guys to take him, he's not going to do that.
Well, the thing is, we have had a history with him in the past not being cooperative.
But not abusive to you guys, though, right? To himself only, right?
Uncooperative means uncooperative, right? Suicide by cop means suicide by cop, right? So it means if we force entry there and he's waiting for us and we kill him, we don't want to do that, okay? So whether he bleeds out a little bit right now, whether we figure out a safe way to...
But he's been in it for a long time.
I hear ya. And we have fire staging. Okay, once we get in there, make sure he's unarmed and we can get him safely detained. We'll get the fire department here and they'll do their thing. But for the meantime, we want to make sure everything is... Okay, so listen.
What I tell you, don't tell me. Tell her.
What did he say today?
Okay,
what
he didn't say anything.
Statement?
He just said anything. He just said, "Get the f my way. I'm going to the bathroom."
Did he say anything weird like "I want to die"? I'll do anything.
He said that the other night when he was trying to go to the
I'll
bathroom.
do anything to die.
No,
I want
he doesn't
someone
say
to
that.
kill
They know
me.
he does that though. I don't.
Okay.
I don't know him to do that, but I just seen it.
Who else called? Did you call 911? Who was next? Who was next to him?
He kicked the door down and seen him in the bathroom.
What did he say to you?
He didn't say anything. He was on the phone.
So as I seen him, he just started cutting himself, and then I went in there again.
Did he
Like,
say
then he
anything
was-
in like "I want to die"? Like what?
No.
What kind of statements did
He
he say?
always says that.
But I'm
He always
talking about
says-
today, here, right now, before our
I haven't
arrival.
talked to him
Okay.
today. I just talked to him.
Okay. Hey, Chris, bud. Sheriff's office. You see him?
Yeah, I see him.
What's he doing?
Chris,
Talk to him. Talk to him.
Hey, Chris!
One person.
Chris! Let me see your hands, bud! Let me see your hands!
come on out, Chris.
Subject opened the garage. He's standing inside the garage. He's not following directions. Not showing us his hands.
Got laceration to his right forearm.
Hey, Chris, we just want to help you out, bud!
Come on, buddy.
He has a laceration to his right forearm.
Chris, come out so we can help you, so we can get an ambulance to come check you out, bud, with your injuries.
Yeah, he's right. He's got a laceration to his right forearm. It looks pretty deep.
Do you see any weapons in his hands?
I
Hey,
cannot see
Chris!
anything in his right hand. And I can't see his left hand. I can't from this angle. I can't see his angle.
I love you. Come on, Chris! Hey, bud!
Chris, we're here to help you. We need you to come out with nothing in your hand.
I have one.
Yeah, we all go. I just want to make sure, because, yeah.
Hey, what's going on today, Chris?
Come on, buddy.
Huh?
Soda
Yeah.
right behind me.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Dude, he's super pale.
Yeah.
Chris.
Hold on. Come on.
He's naked.
Okay.
Yeah.
Hey, Chris, man. Hey, I'm sorry for what you're going through, man. We're here to help you, okay?
Come on out, bud.
Hey, how you doing? My name's... I work for the Sheriff's Department, dude. What's going on today exactly, Chris? You okay?
Get you some medical help, man. Can I see your right hand, though? Please, can you wave me? Wave to your family for me. Can you do that?
Chris, your family's out here. They want to talk to you. Is that okay with you? The subject is also bleeding from his right leg. Chris. Hey, buddy. Hey, Chris.
Soda.
Hey, we'll get
We copy.
Come on out. I mean, there's a fridge right here. You're gonna be the best one at talking. If you wanna come out? We'll get you.
Hey, just stay one on gun.
You're like Coke or Pepsi?
By the time deputies arrived, the situation had already escalated. Gilmore had moved into the garage, bleeding, distressed, and holding a knife. Officers positioned themselves outside and began trying to de-escalate the situation. They gave repeated commands, urging him to drop the weapon.
You feeling low on sugar, or you're not looking so hot, man?
I don't see anything as left hand, right?
Chris.
Hey, guys!
Sarge wanted us to back out. He's going inside. He's going inside.
Yeah, so, there's been
Looked like he was gonna faint. Yeah, going back inside. He's in bad shape.
Oh, sorry. They're saying that he's gonna faint.
He's got a soda. He's got a knife in his hand. Got a knife. Got a knife. Back up, Bruce. Back up.
Stay there. Stay there.
Hey, drop the knife. Drop the knife. Drop the knife.
Hey, Chris. Relax. Hey.
Drop the knife. Drop the knife.
Get away from me! Back up! Back up! You shot my brother! You shot my brother! He tried! He must know harm you! You shot my brother! You shot my brother! What is wrong with you? Hey! He needs help!
Hey, I'm gonna go ahead and grab the knife.
Banana,
I'm backing out. I don't know if you guys need anything else.
Hey, give me napkins or something.
You have another. You need it for the house.
Oh, they just
I'm here.
You guys shot my brother. That's
I hear you. Okay.
We have no family but him.
What did I say we were trying to avoid in the beginning?
You could have shot him in the leg. Why would you shoot him in the upper body? He wasn't even coming towards you guys.
He was coming with the knife.
He wasn't coming. You guys were up there. He was coming this way.
I hear you're frustrated and I'm sorry. Okay.
Why would you shoot him?
Right
No.
now, you yelling isn't going to
Why would you shoot him? He wasn't coming towards you guys. He was no threat towards you guys.
He was.
A knife with 4 people with guns,
What
really?
you were saying-
could have shot him in the lower legs,
Okay.
dude.
Well, that's not what we're trying to do.
Really?
Okay.
You're trying to kill him?
Okay. No. We're trying to stop what's
Foul, dude.
okay? I hear you, and I'm sorry that you're going through it. Okay?
For a moment, it seemed like there was still time, but within minutes, everything changed. Gilmore suddenly exited the garage, still armed. Deputies deployed less lethal shotgun rounds in an attempt to stop him, but they had little effect. Despite being hit, he continued moving forward, step by step, closing the distance, until he was just feet away from a deputy. That's when the situation reached a breaking point. Shots were fired, multiple rounds struck Gilmore, and he collapsed at the scene. He was pronounced dead shortly after. No deputies or bystanders were physically injured, but what happened next would raise even more questions.
Go from like Cole to his car.
Step away from Montague. Let's go over here to this corner. I'm not going to say it again. Now. This way.
Can I have somebody pick me up? I need to get, okay?
We're going this way. Let's go.
Like that. You killed my brother. Understand, I'm hurt. You don't have to be about it. At least he's nice. I don't care. That's my brother you just killed. That's my brother.
Tensions are high, guys. Tensions are high. Let's keep it low, okay?
Well, yeah,
I hear ya.
You can't try to wrap my arm around my back. You killed my brother. And your brother killed you the same way. You know the same way. You did it with your
I have to take statements, bro. I wasn't involved.
I
I
hear
ain't talking,
you,
you
dude.
know, it's giving you a stand. We'll get him a stand by me,
Give
Greg.
him.
Okay, someone has to stay here. Are you staying?
Help me! Why is nobody trying to save him?
Hey,
Why is nobody helping him? Save him, please!
you have the fire department here.
There's nobody
Hey,
around.
whatever they're trained to do is what they're doing, okay?
Please help him!
Hey, whatever they're trained to do is what they're doing, okay?
Why won't they please have him try to help us? Please have him try to help us.
Hey, we got the fire department here. They can't do anything what they're doing already.
They can try CPR, dude.
Okay?
There's nobody around
Hey,
him.
I
He's
hear
by
ya.
himself laid in the
hear ya.
street, dude.
Okay?
According to his family, this wasn't an act of violence toward others. It was a cry for help. His sister later said he had been struggling with mental health issues for years. She claimed the blade he held was small and that he never threatened officers. In her words, he was only hurting himself. She believes more could have been done. For more real and intense police incidents caught on camera, subscribe to Infrared Patrol, because the next case might leave even more unanswered questions.